IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think art is important in everyday life? Band 5 answer.
I think art is maybe important. People like music and paintings. But for me, it's not very useful. I don't look at art every day. Maybe sometimes in school.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary and ideas, limited development of thoughts, hesitation and lack of coherence. May be important, not very useful. Grammar is basic with some errors. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I do think art plays an important role in everyday life. For example, music can influence our mood, and even advertisements use design and color to catch our attention. Personally, I feel that art makes our surroundings more attractive and meaningful. Without it, life would feel very dull.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear position with explanation. Good range of vocabulary. Influence our mood, surroundings, meaningful. Ideas are developed with examples. Some minor hesitation might still be present in real speech, but overall fluent and coherent. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. Art is deeply woven into our daily lives, often in ways we don't immediately recognize. It's not just about galleries or paintings. It's the music we listen to, the design of our clothes, and even the architecture around us. Art shapes how we experience the world by inspiring emotions, sparking creativity, and reflecting cultural identity. In my view, life without art would be colorless and mechanical.
Why is this a band 9? Fully developed, nuanced response, wide lexical range, woven into architecture, cultural identity, fluent, well-organized, and sophisticated, complex structures with accuracy and naturalness. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.